Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to adjust brightness in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Smart TV settings. So on getting to settings right here, next thing you need to do is to make sure you navigate to picture right here. Click on OK. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down until you get to screen brightness. Click on OK. And it's going to take you right here. Screen brightness 100%. Click on OK. Now you have the option here from the bottom that allow you to control the screen brightness. You can use your backward arrow key to turn down the brightness of your smart TV, to adjust the brightness. If you are satisfied with the 50%, you are done, you are good to go. If you're satisfied with any percentage right here, what you need to do is to simply hit on back, and it's as simple as that. You can see this is already been adjusted into 71%. If you want to turn back to 100% brightness, click on screen brightness again, click on screen brightness, and with your forward arrow key on your keyboard, continue to increase it until you get to 100% brightness. It's that simple. Then click on your backward arrow key, continue to go back until you get back to the home page. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to adjust your brightness of your Google Smart TV. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.